Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and sometimes when you have a young child, it can really help if you have a secure, safe place where you can place them down because you can't hold them all of the time. This baby bouncer from Bright Starts is exactly what I was looking for when my grandson comes to visit, and we need a place for him to be able to be comfortable, well supported, but also safe. It's not always possible to hold the baby or hold my grandson. Sometimes he needs to be placed down, and I was looking for something that would keep him safe, but also give him a good view of what's going on and let him enjoy himself as well. This Bright Starts baby bouncer is the Happy Safari, and it has a toy bar, it has a 3-point harness, it vibrates and plays music. And I like the fact that it has a supportive pillow, so if you have a very young child, you don't have to worry about their head being unsupported. This baby bouncer is from 0 to 6 months. My grandson is currently 4 months old and he weighs 13 pounds. He fits comfortably in it. He's secure because of the harness. And even though he's kicking around and starting to play with the toys, I felt very confident in placing him in this. I knew that he would be safe. He's also really enjoying the toys, especially the turtle, because it's a little mirror. He finds that very entertaining. All in all, I am really pleased with this baby bouncer that I got for whenever my grandson visits. Of course, I want to hold him 24 hours a day, but sometimes it just doesn't work out. I'm really glad I have a place that's comfortable for him and secure for him to sit in, where he can see everything that's happening around, but also have toys that he can play with and music and that vibration that soothes him. And that is my point of view.